As if 2-day shipping wasn't enough, Jeff Bezos today announced that they are going to be working on 1-day shipping. And because of that, one of the two biggest retailers such as Walmart and Target aggressively sold off this morning, pushing down Target over 8% down on the day and pushing Walmart down 4.5%. Since then, they have slowly recovered. And why am I making this video? Why am I making a video about two stocks that are selling off? Why is that important? Well, the question that I want to ask you is, do you think the news of Amazon offering 1-day shipping is detrimental and will continue to lead to a sell-off to both Target or Walmart? And if you do, then obviously it wouldn't make sense to take part of Target or Walmart. But if you think that this news is only relevant right now and after a matter of time it will become less relevant and then the price action will drive the price back up again, then why is that important? Well, if you don't think the news of Amazon offering 1-day ship is going to last for a very long period of time, then maybe it makes sense because of this dip buy opportunity that both Walmart and Target are something that maybe you should add to your watch list and watch closely. As of right now, based off of how they've recovered so far, Walmart has about a 2.5% margin for recovery while leaving Target at a little bit over 5%. Again, this in no way is any stock suggestion, but just like you guys know, we like to focus on getting a good deal. So what better time to take advantage of an opportunity when some form of news is released that drives the price down, which increases the overall amount of panic sellers taking action, dropping the price down, and after that news becomes less relevant, then overall it makes sense on why the price will pick up. Or does it? Again, that's up to you. So I want to get your guys' opinion about what you guys think about Amazon offering 1-day shipping to all Prime members, and if you think that this is detrimental to both Walmart and Target. If you guys look at the 180-day 4-hour chart for both of these specific tickers, then you guys can have a better understanding, not just on the fundamental side, but also on the technical side of what can happen. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys can take this information and do your own due diligence before taking your next position. I wish you guys an amazing weekend and hope you guys learn something new. If you guys have any questions about what I talked about or are interested in getting started in trading in the stock market, be sure to click that first link in the description. We run the largest free Facebook group for those who trade in the stock market with over 200,000 members. We'd love to stay connected, and if you guys have any questions of what it's like to watch me trade live in the stock market, mainly day trading, that's that second link in the description. I wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be your drive to your success, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.